everyone, it's Frank again with another ATV video. Today we are swapping out the spark plugs on the Can-Am. We're going to start with the left side of the ATV. After removing the seat, we remove the plastics that will be in our way. Once those are removed, it's a little hard to see in the video, but the spark plug wire is plugged into the spark plug right there. So you unplug it and expose the actual spark plug. Then you insert your favorite spark plug socket, turn until the plug is out. It's a bit cramped in there, so you may want to get a socket that isn't too hefty. Also be careful, a lot of these ATVs accumulate a ton of gunk on there and you don't want any of that falling into your engine. You'll notice I keep trying to turn it with my hand and end up using the ratchet again. That's because my hand didn't really fit in there all that well and the plug kept slipping in my fingers. My hands are too big to do this comfortably, so I had to use some gravity to help. The new spark plugs are E3s, models E336. I was told they're pretty good, but pricey. Since the ATV only needs 2 of them, I decided to give them a try. Who knows, maybe I end up installing them in my trucks, depending how they work out for the ATV. Once the spark plug's in there nice and tight, just put the boot back over it and make sure it's in all the way. Now we're ready for the other side. First, removing the plastics, again. Then we remove the wire from the plug. Out comes your favorite musical instrument / tool to remove the plug itself. As you can see on the right side, it's a bit easier to reach the spark plugs, which makes the whole process to swap them out much easier. Out with the old, and in with the new. Listen for that pop when putting the wire back on. And you're done. As always, if you enjoy this kind of content, like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.